We are back with a new video of this section, grouping and aggregating with time series analysis. In this section, we will start by aggregating weekly crime and traffic accidents separately, and then grouping with anonymous functions with a date-time index. Further, we will learn to group by a timestamp and another column. At the end, we see how to use the merge as of method to find the last time when the crime was 20% lower. Now let's begin with the first video, aggregating weekly crime and traffic accidents separately. In this video, we will use the resample method to group by each quarter of the year and then sum up the number of crimes and traffic accidents separately. The Denver crime dataset has all crime and traffic accidents together in one table and separates them through the binary columns isCrime and isTraffic. The resample method allows you to group by a period of time and aggregate specific columns separately. To start with, read in the crime HDF5 dataset, set the index as reported date, and then sort it to increase performance for the rest of the video. Next, use the resample method to group by each quarter of the year and then sum up the isCrime and isTraffic columns for each group. So let's run this code. Now what if we didn't select just these two? Let's check it with this line of code. So you can notice that all of the numeric columns have been summed in this result. By default, the offset alias Q technically uses December 31st as the last day of the year. The span of dates that represent a single quarter are all calculated using this ending date. The aggregated result uses the last day of the quarter as its label. Let's use the offset alias QS to represent the start of the quarter, using January 1st as the first day of the year. You can see that it returns January 1st as the first day of the year. Let's verify these results by checking whether the second quarter of data is correct. And here's the output. It is possible to replicate this operation using the group by method. For instance, you can use the group by method as done in these two lines of code. This testifies that both the operations are same. Now let's make a plot to better analyze the trends in crime and traffic accidents over time. By default, a line is plotted for each column of data. The plot clearly shows a sharp increase in reported crimes during the first 3 quarters of the year. There also appears to be a seasonal component to both crime and traffic, with numbers lower in the cooler months and higher in the warm months. That's all for now. The next video is about grouping with anonymous functions